Welcome back, my fellow wisemen. What if I told you that one of the most powerful investors of all time, Warren Buffett, and Sung Jin Woo from Solo Leveling have something in common? At first glance, they seem worlds apart. One is a billionaire investor, the other a monster-slaying hunter. But look closer. You'll see they both harness an amazing power that you too can take advantage of. The truth is, neither of them started out as extraordinary. Buffett wasn't born a financial genius. He simply learned to make consistent, strategic investments that snowballed over time. Similarly, Jin Woo began as the weakest hunter, barely surviving in the dangerous world of gates and dungeons. But through persistence, discipline, and a system that rewarded small, compounding gains, he transformed himself into the strongest hunter in existence. This is all a product of a proven technique known as compound investing. As Darren Hardy explains in The Compound Effect, small, smart choices completed consistently over time create radical differences. This principle applies to both finance and self-improvement. Whether it's accumulating wealth or building strength, the key is consistency over time. Today, we will dive into the power of compound investing and why it's critical for every man striving to build strength, wealth, and purpose. Welcome back, my fellow wisemen, to the Namekian Scholar, where we break down anime's most compelling characters and the lessons they teach us about power, growth, and success. If you want to master your own transformation, stick around until the end, because today, we're dissecting one of the most important powers you'll ever need to achieve your dream, the power of compound investing. It's time to get started.
Compound investing is a concept that most people misunderstand. It's not about making big moves. It's about small, consistent gains that grow over time. Warren Buffett started investing at 11 years old, but he didn't get rich overnight. Instead, he made steady, well-calculated investments that multiplied over the decades. The longer he stayed in the game, the bigger his gains became. Jin Woo follows the same principle. When he gains access to the system, it doesn't instantly turn him into the strongest hunter. Instead, it rewards him for consistent effort. Every completed quest, every stat increase, every defeated enemy adds up. His growth is gradual but unstoppable because his progress compounds. Darren Hardy emphasizes in The Compound Effect that success is earned in the moment-to-moment decisions that, in themselves, make no visible difference whatsoever. This mirrors how Jin Woo's daily grind eventually turns him into an unstoppable force. As Robert Greene says in The 48 Laws of Power, the secret to success is not in dramatic moments of brilliance, but in the steady accumulation of small victories. This is the fundamental rule of growth in life, finances, and masculinity. Most men underestimate the power of consistency. They chase quick riches, fast muscle growth, or instant success, only to burn out or fail. The truth? The game rewards those who stay in it the longest. Instead of trying to make $1 million overnight, invest small amounts regularly and let time do the work. Instead of expecting to bench press 300 pounds in a week, start with what you can handle and improve steadily. Instead of trying to become an expert overnight, dedicate time every day to improving your craft. Darren Hardy explains that your biggest challenge isn't that you've intentionally been making bad choices. Your biggest challenge is that you've been sleepwalking through your choices. Jin Woo's transformation is proof that when you make intentional, small improvements daily, the results are game-changing. Like Jin Woo, you may start weak, broke, or inexperienced, but if you make consistent investments in yourself, the compounding effect will transform you into something unstoppable. Jin Woo's story isn't just about power, it's about building himself up brick by brick. Men today struggle because they expect instant results. They see successful entrepreneurs, elite athletes, and powerful figures, but they don't see the years of compounding work that built them. If you stay consistent in your investments, whether it's financial, physical, or personal, you will surpass 99% of men who quit when they don't see immediate results. And once you reach a high enough level, the growth becomes exponential. This is why compounding is the ultimate cheat code for life. It turns the average man into a legend. Jin Wu and Warren Buffett are living proof that compound investing is the most powerful force for long-term success. It's not about getting lucky. It's about consistency, discipline, and trusting the process. As the compound effect teaches, you will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The power of compound investing is the power of daily habits leading to greatness. Remember, small steps taken consistently lead to massive results. The question is, will you put this principle into action?
My fellow wisemen, thanks for watching. Before we go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now that you understand the power of consistency, the next step is to apply it to your purpose. If you're struggling to find a clear outline for finding your purpose, I have just the video for you. Click the video above to watch the breakdown of Goku's journey to his purpose, of being the strongest warrior in the Z universe. Until next time.